Today I'll be going over the differences between a regular wheel and a reverse mount style wheel. With a regular style wheel, you usually dismount the tire with the wheel mounted facing up on the machine, while on a reverse mount you have the wheel facing down. This is simply because the drop center is on the opposite side of the wheel. I'll start by showing you an example of how to remove a tire from a regular style wheel. Start by letting the air out and mounting the wheel facing upwards on the machine. Then you carefully break the bead, which is the very edge where the tire and the wheel meet. Repeat the process by breaking the bead on the bottom side of the wheel. It's good practice to lubricate the hook on the machine to prevent any chances of the tire getting caught or binding. Carefully hook the backside of the top sidewall and pull it up and over the edge of the wheel. Spin the wheel slowly and carefully work the rest of the sidewall over the edge of the wheel. Carefully seat the inner edge of the bottom sidewall over the hook and pull the hook over to the edge of the wheel. Bring the lower arm up to assist the sidewall over the edge of the wheel. Now it's time to show you how to do a reverse mount wheel. Start by putting on the lug-centric reverse mount bracket onto the machine. Let all the air out of the tire and carefully mount the wheel facing downwards onto the machine. Break the bead on the very edge of the wheel for the top sidewall. Repeat the process for the bottom sidewall. Just like on the other wheel, we're going to hook the inside of the top sidewall and pull it up over the wheel edge. You might notice that this specific tire is very stiff and folds very easily, simply because it's extremely dry rotted from being on this wheel for over 10 years. Occasionally, the bottom sidewall likes to reseat itself if you push down on the tire too much, so you might have to break the bead again. Now it's time to hook the bottom sidewall. Since the wheel is mounted very high up on the machine, we have to transfer the wheel from the bottom arm to the upper arm in order to have the reach to push the bottom sidewall up and over the wheel. Use the upper arm to add upward pressure to the bottom sidewall. This is the drop center that I'm referring to, which is usually on the side where the wheel face is. This specific wheel set is by Impol and our 3-piece. I will be rebuilding them since this seal is currently leaking air. Stay tuned for my next video if you'd like to learn how to refinish and rebuild 3-piece wheels. If you found any of this information useful, make sure you smash that like button. And if you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. But for today, this is going to be it. Thank you for watching.